Welcome back to Trending Cars. Today we are diving into the luxurious world of the 2026 Maybach Motorhome, a masterpiece that combines cutting-edge technology, unmatched comfort, and stunning design, redefining what a premium motorhome should be. The 2026 Maybach Motorhome takes luxury travel to a whole new level, and every inch of this vehicle screams exclusivity and attention to detail. Starting with the exterior, the Maybach Motorhome has a sleek, elongated body that reflects elegance and sophistication. The signature Maybach chrome grille is larger and bolder than ever, giving it a commanding road presence. The sculpted lines flow seamlessly across the body, creating a refined aerodynamic profile despite its size. Full LED matrix headlights with adaptive technology provide a futuristic look, while the massive alloy wheels, available in 21 to 23-inch designs, give it an imposing stance. The two-tone paint options, a Maybach trademark, enhance its opulence, and the power-operated side steps make entry and exit effortless. The rear design features sleek taillights connected by an illuminated LED strip, adding a touch of modern elegance. Large panoramic windows dominate the sides, ensuring maximum natural light inside, and an automated awning and slide-out sections expand the living space when parked, making it ideal for luxury outdoor stays. Moving inside, the Maybach Motorhome offers a first-class experience that feels more like a private jet than an RV. As soon as you step in, you're greeted by premium Napa leather upholstery with hand-stitched Maybach logos, real wood veneers, and customizable ambient lighting. The cabin is spacious with a smart layout that includes a full living lounge, a master bedroom, and a gourmet kitchen. The living area is equipped with reclining massage seats, a retractable 55-inch OLED entertainment screen, and a state-of-the-art Burmester 3D surround sound system. The kitchen features premium appliances, including an induction cooktop, a full-size refrigerator, and even a built-in wine cooler. The master bedroom comes with a king-size bed, memory foam mattress, and electronically adjustable lighting and climate control. A spa-inspired bathroom with heated floors, rainfall shower, and luxury fittings adds to the sense of indulgence. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Maybach Motorhome is not just about luxury, it delivers impressive power for its size. Equipped with a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine paired with a mild hybrid system, it produces around 500 horsepower, ensuring smooth cruising even on highways. The advanced 9-speed automatic transmission provides seamless gear changes, while the air suspension system guarantees a cloud-like ride, absorbing bumps with ease. Despite its size, it comes with all-wheel drive and intelligent drive modes that adapt to different road conditions, making it surprisingly stable and easy to maneuver. The latest driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control,